Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to become a CapCut creator. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first things first, there are a few requirements for you to become a CapCut creator. Now in this case, what you need here is you need to be at least 18 years old for you to be a CapCut creator. Also, you need prior experience in using CapCut, so make sure to prepare any projects or edits that you made before. But in this case, where do we actually apply? So first things first, open up the CapCut mobile application, and from here you need to go to the section that says template at the bottom of your screen. Now, in here, what we need to do is you need to look for the banner that says become a creator. Now, in this case, let's just scroll until we see it here. And as you can see, do you want to be a CapCut creator? So go ahead and click on that banner. Now, in this case, it's going to give you further details on what you could do or what you need here. Like, for example, the basic qualifications here, like what I said before, you need a CapCut account, internet connection, or you should be at least 15 years old in this case. And also, you need to be active in TikTok as well. But if you want to proceed with the application itself, just click on the click here to apply button, and it's going to open up this form here, and you just need to answer this one, and from there just basically answer it, and from there they will actually contact you, ask for sample projects, and even ask you to perform a short edit just to confirm your skills. But yeah, from here on, just follow the steps, answer any of the forms or questions that they'll be asking, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.